String theory simultaneously explains both the very small and very large realms of the universe. The universe as we know it has length, width, and depth, and it exists in time so that we experience the universe in four dimensions. Matter, as we know it, is governed by a set of rules that render its behavior predictable, such that on Earth, what goes up must come down. On the other hand, in the realm of the very small or subatomic, particles only behave in concordance with a certain degree of probability, like the behavior of pool balls after a break. We can only speculate how and where things might go. However, if matter makes up the pieces of the game of existence, it and all of its components must be governed by the same set of rules, which we find by looking into a realm even smaller than the realm of particles. Here we find mind-boggling numbers of infinitesimal one-dimensional vibrating entities. Imagine these bands of dancing energy in this way. Think of a place in space which has no mass, that is, a point with no part. Extend that point perfectly in one direction so that it is a strand that has only length. Then make this strand vibrate and dance. These strands, or strings, are ubiquitous, and their lengths exist in multiple directions, giving the universe more than one dimension, even more than we can perceive. As these vibrating strands of energy dance, they touch, and where they do, dimension builds on dimension, and we experience particles. This allows for only probable predictions about subatomic particles, because the persistent vibrations of the strings move their contact points in and out of various dimensions, and we know them only when they interact in one of our dimensions. But like the strings, subatomic particles build on one another to make matter that we can sense every day. In this realm, the persistence and uniformity of the string's vibrations resurface, making the behavior of matter predictable again.